Hi everybody, this is Susie again. I got my Scrappin' for Less card kit in the mail tonight. I did not do any sneak peeks, so I have no idea what's in here. And the only thing is, look at my package, what my mail lady did again. I'm going to go down to the post office and have a word with them about not doing this anymore. Anyways, but regardless, I'm super excited to show you guys this, and I'm super excited to see it. Like I said, I didn't do any sneak peeks or anything like that. I have no idea what's in the package. So, without further ado, I'm going to open up the package. And it's got the flavor of the Muck Club sticker on the back. Okay. Well, I think I better use the utility knife because I don't see where I can do anything else but that, so. Or some scissors that never seem to be available when you need them. That's funny. Alright. Okay, make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh, good thing I looked. Oh, my mail person is going to be in big trouble, you guys. Look at my cardstock again. Can you guys see that? It's like folded in half. Alright. I gotta have a word with my people because, you know, and she packaged it and put cardboard box between, and put the paper in between the layers of cardboard so that it wouldn't get bent or anything like that, and it's not the way she packaged it. It's just my mail person literally shoved it into my box. Anyways, well, I guess I'll just go ahead and show you guys the cardstock. This, wow, guys, this cardstock is so, it is incredibly thick. Like, wow, super thick. Man, that's such a bummer that they did that. Okay, so we have that pretty blue, and then we have this red. It's kind of a burnt red, if you know what I mean. Let's see if it has a color. Chinese red, it says. Very cool. And I don't see a brand on it, but it is incredibly thick. Extremely. And this color is beautiful. Wow, I really can't believe how... Look, guys. That is incredibly thick. And this pretty color. I love this color. One of my favorite colors, actually. And we have a soft yellow. Very cool. And, wow. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of white cardstock. So those are the colors of cardstock. Okay. Now for all the fun stuff. Hoping not to have to cut this, but it looks like I'm gonna need to. Alright. I love this bag that this is in. It's super cute. Alright. Okay. Yay! I'm excited, you guys. Oh, how cool! That's awesome. Versafine Onyx Black ink in the little cubie. That's awesome. I have the regular size one of this, but I don't have the little mini one. That's totally cool. That is really nice ink for doing fine lines, and especially for stamping sentiments and stuff like that. Seriously, this is the best ink that I've ever tried for that. I love it. And it stays damp for a bit, so you can actually emboss on it also. So you could like put clear embossing powder over it and it would totally set. Oh, I found a sucker. My daughter will be thrilled. She likes to get those. So, oh man, I don't know where to start. I'm just going to kind of pull things out a little bit at a time. Okay. So, this is a stamp set. Oh wow, these are photopolymer. Wow. And oh, Hope Anchors the Soul. I like that. That's really cool. Very cool. Got that stamp. And that's by Neat and Tangled. And it just says Hope Anchors Neat and Tangled for the name. That's awesome. I love the big sentiments like that. I think they're totally cool. Okay. And now, oh my goodness. How stinking cute. I love this. Okay, come on. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna get the white cardstock. I'm gonna set this off to the side and set the piece of white cardstock on my table so that we can see all these goodies better. Alright. Okay. And make sure that I'm in frame a little better here. Let's see if I can tip this up any. Sorry, I don't mean to make you guys dizzy or anything. Well, I think that's a little bit better. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these buttons. How cute. We got buttons. And look at this. This is, I love these colors. It's probably my favorite colors ever. Oh, sorry guys. Aren't they pretty? Yay! You know, I'm going to turn my other light on, see if that helps light things up a little bit more. Oh, that's way better. Alright. I'll show you this beautiful again. Oh my gosh, I love this stamp set. It is so stinking cute. Oh, run away button. Oh, those are cute. Little birthday candle stickers. Ew, yucky. Get off of there, buggy. Sorry about that. Alright. Let me pull this adorable paper out. And each one of the little card kits come with an envelope. And I'm not going to pull that out to show you guys. Okay. Very, very, very happy bright colors. Polka dots. Oh, I missed one. Oh, I like that pink one. That's funny, you know, these two colors go together, these two colors go together, and these two colors go together. That's cool, actually. Like that. And the best thing ever, Hippo Birdie to You. That is so cute. I love that. Look at the little balloon, a little birdie, and a little hat, and a note. I love this. This is so cute. And it's called, says year 4. Huh. Is that the name of it? It might be. I don't know. Anyways, how cute is that? I love this little stamp set. It's so cute. Okay, let's put this stuff back in here. Oh, here we go for another one. Oh. Oh, you know what? I think this is the set, this little stamp set was supposed to be in last month's. I think this is the one that went in last month's that I didn't get. So that's cool. That is so cute, though. I love that. Okay, oops, sorry guys. Alright. Put this back up here. Okay, so this would be the second one. Here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness. How cute. Alrighty. I hope you guys can hear TV in the background. My brother's watching TV in the other room. I'm super sorry if you guys hear any of it. Okay. Oh my goodness. I love these. They're like puffy stickers. Those are adorable. I love these so much. A lot, actually. Those are really cute. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That, how cute. Sunny Studios photopolymer clear stamps. It says, your turtley love you, have a awesome birthday. That is adorable. My daughter would love these little turtles. A little present. That is really cute. Okay, and then we have word die cut stickers. So this one says happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, and happy birthday. A whole bunch of die cut stickers that say happy birthday. That's really cool. And then let's look at this cardstock. Oh, and this is double-sided. We have this one and this one and this. This is so totally for like a little boy, I think. How pretty. This one. That one. And that one. Alright. So let me get this back in the bag. Okay. Alright, let me get the bag. Okay. Ooh, I found something else. Okay, so this is another, I think, Lawn Fawn is. Oh, so this says, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy B-Day. Hip hip hooray, 2 heart, a line from and love. I really like this. This is super cool. Very cool. And I like that they're smaller to fit better into like the little frames and stuff. But anyway, that's totally awesome. Okay. Next. Alright, so we have this one. And again, I'm not going to pull the envelope out. Oh. Alrighty. So I'm going to turn it over. Oh, I love this. So this is by Altanoon. It's called Carousel. Isn't that adorable? It says, celebrate, it's your day. Time to. Oh, okay. Celebrate, it's your day, and then time to celebrate. And then they have you with an exclamation point and a super cute carousel. Very cool. And, oh, cool. We have some brads with like a resin top on them. Very nice. And this is the sequence that goes in this one. And this is by Neat and Tangle. Or no. I totally forgot what the name of it is. Anyhow, there's that. Oh, I almost missed these. And we have these super cool stars. And then the paper is double-sided, which is awesome. So we have this one and this one. That's really cool. I like that. And that one. This one looks like a big top circus. And this. There we go. And then this is the back side of that one. Oh, I like that. The balloons. And then we have a stripe. Oh, this one's super cool. I like this one a lot. I like that one a lot. And then this one, I like that one a lot too. Oh, that one's cool too. And that one. Alrighty, so that's all of this one. Let me put it back. Alrighty, and I think there's only one left in the bag. Bummer. Wow. Okay, well I just found more stuff in the bag I didn't know was there. So let's pull that out. Oh. Very cool. It's a birthday cake. It says Happy Birthday by X-Cut Guys. That's totally awesome. That's really cool. And, ooh, pretty purple sparkly ribbon. Glitter. Oh, it's glitter tape. That's awesome. And this is by American Crafts. That's way cool. You see how pretty that is? That's awesome. Okay, let me feel if there's any other little strays going on anywhere else in the bag besides the last kit. And I don't think so. It's almost a bummer that it's at the bottom. Okay, so this is the last one. Last but certainly not least. Pull everything out of here. Ooh, I see wood. Oh, how cool. Guys, I don't have any of these. This is so awesome. I don't know why I don't. I just don't. You'd think I would. I have enough of everything else. Oh, cool. So, we have a piece of twine. It's very pretty. It's kind of a light green color. And we have birthday. Is there a happy there somewhere? Nope. So there's a birthday and a gift and a cake with hearts and a windmill, and there's a party hat. Okay, and I love these sequins that come with these kits. They are so pretty. That's set. And oh, I'm really excited about this one, you guys. I really like this. It says, sorry I missed your birthday, and then it says brain freeze with a iced mocha type drink. That's really cool, and this is by Brutus Monroe, which he is very quickly becoming a very popular, you know, name that I'm hearing a lot of lately. Anyway, so this little stamp set, that's really cute. I love that. I really do. Like that a lot. Okay, and then the paper is one-sided. We have this one. That one's really pretty. That one. Alright, we have this one. Boy, I didn't want to be able to turn that page in this one. Oh, and that one. I think that's the last one. Alright. So, that is everything. Anyways, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you guys can go check out these card kits, because it really, truly is a very good deal. You really get a lot for your money. Okay, guys, well, that is it for the June, or excuse me, not June, but July's scrapbooking kit by Scrappin' for Less, the Flavor of the Month Club. Anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day. I had a lot of fun showing you guys the scrapbooking kit, and I can't wait to start playing with it. I know I've been kind of absent for the last couple of weeks. It's just been so crazy around here trying to get ready for the kids coming, and then, anyway. Alright, you guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you do. I would super, super appreciate it. Anyways, and show me that I'm doing something right. Anyway, anyways, I thank you guys very much, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.